Gorio ni President William Ruto na mathiete na mbere na gutongoria gavana wa kaunti ya Embu norio ikaine ta Cecil Mbarire na rireketie Kwamurwo kamiti-ini iria igukorwo ikinyitirira mwahu wa Kenya Kwanza miario-ini ya wuiguano na iria itetio ni thirikari ro hamwe na mwahu wa Azimio lo moja. Gukiri uguo na mathiete na mbere na gutongoria President William Ruto na makinya makiucamba maria aragithi na mbere na kuoya miario iria iheanitwo ni mubunge wa mbere ya Rugongo Jofreroko.
Madam Chair, in the government we have, the people bear as a community, as very few CEOs. Actually, only one CEO, the Director General of Vision 2030, who has been rocked out of his office between the internal wars, Professor Jogona, Minister of Finance. Our son, he has fought for this nation, and it's unfair for someone to be kicked out of his office. We request the government to reconsider that move. Professor Jogona, please, the sons of Bere also deserve to be CEOs and Director Generals of some of these parastatals. Kuna CEO mwingine mnaisikia? Huku mbele North kuna CEO? Hakuna. Na tunaona ni kama because you are marginalized community, extremely marginalized. We are very few. The other day I had a meeting with the chairman of Public Service Commission, Ambassador Mushiri, so that our people can also enjoy the national cake.